was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
Good morning, and got these braids done yesterday. For today, after breakfast we might go to another beach or we'll hit the pool, and then later in the day we might also go to Chapora Fort because yesterday we couldn't go there, and in the evening we might also go to a club. So let's see if we get time for that. We decided to do some water sports at Anjuna Beach, but before that we came across Parra Road, which became quite famous after the release of the movie Dear Zindagi. When we reached there, it was quite crowded as a lot of people were waiting to take photos, and we had to wait for our turn as well. We had breakfast at this cafe. The food was really tasty and they had a separate cake and pastry section as well. Then we reached Anjuna Beach and we were chilling for some time before we get started with all the water activities. So we decided to do jet skiing, bumper ride, banana boat and parasailing. This was my first time doing water sports, so I freaked out a lot, especially with the banana boat, so I did not do it. Bumper ride was also not that great, but jet skiing was good and I had the most fun with parasailing.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So I'm back from the pool and now I'm just gonna go take a shower and get ready to go out. We are planning to go to Chapora Fort and then we'll have lunch after that. So this is what I'm wearing today. Crop top with these details on the top and a black pair of shorts, and I'll go with a blue shrug as well with this. So this is the shrug. It's a navy blue lace shrug with these tassels at the bottom. I think it's going really well with this outfit. Okay, so I'm ready and we're going to the Chapora Fort. So there was a change of plan. First we went to Arambol Beach and had lunch, and then we went to Chapora Fort. Honestly, I did not like the vibe of this beach. The crowd was too overwhelming. just came back from the Chapora Fort and now I'll just change my outfit and get ready. We are going to Thalassa and that will be fun, and you should absolutely include Chapora Fort in your travel list when you visit to Goa. The view from there is awesome. So I just changed my outfit and I'm just going to complete my makeup now. I just carry this small like a fluffy brush. I don't carry those big makeup brushes. I don't have enough space in my bag most of the time. I'm going to fill up my brows a bit. I'm going with this shade. I'm applying this on top of a lip balm. This is a matte lipstick, but still, like, I don't like dry lips, so I'm just applying this on top of lip balm. Okay, so done with the makeup, and these braids are going quite well with this dress. I'll show you the outfit. So I'm going with this dress. It's an off-shoulder dress that I got from Myntra, and it has like bell sleeves on one side and off-shoulder from the other. And I'm not doing much with the jewelry, just small pearl earring, because I have just one pair of black sandals and one pair of black sneakers, so I think I'll go with sneakers. Sneakers would go really well with this dress. So I'm going with this pair of black sneakers. The braids are also going well with the floral design of the dress. So I'm done getting ready and now I'll just head out. First we went to Baga Beach to watch the sunset and spend some time there. Baga Beach and Anjuna Beach are mostly crowded as these are among the popular beaches in Goa, and you can find a lot of nice shacks and cafes nearby. We went to shopping at Anjuna Market. It is one of the best places to shop in Goa. You can find a lot of colorful dresses, tops, crop tops, bags and accessories. The products are of decent quality, but you have to bargain a lot. We had some snacks at the beach and finally had dinner at this restaurant. The next day we went to Butterfly Beach, which is one of the most beautiful beaches in South Goa. It involves a trek of about 1 to 1.5 hours and the route is through a jungle which leads you to the beach. When we reached there, we got to know why it is called one of the most beautiful beaches in South Goa. The water was so blue and it was surrounded with rocks. You can actually climb up the rocks to reach the top to get a nice view of the beach. We climbed halfway and did not take the risk to climb all of it as the way was quite steep and it was risky as well. But there were a lot of people who were climbing all the way up, so if you are into trekking, then you can definitely try this out. for boating, and they will give you a nice tour of the whole beach along with some nearby small beaches, and you can actually see the butterfly shape of the beach when you go for boating. अच्छा ये बीच है इसलिए कपल्स ज़्यादा घूम रहे हैं. After Butterfly Beach, we went to Vainguinim Beach. It is an offbeat beach but is really beautiful and the crowd is also less. If you are near Panjim, then you can definitely visit this place. Later we went to Dona Paula viewpoint and watched the amazing sunset. We also went for a cruise which was about an hour of sailing and it included coupons for food and drinks. I did not like the cruise that we went on. There are a lot of variety of cruises. You can choose as per your preference and book accordingly. Good morning. So I'm getting ready and I have some of the packing left. I'll just complete that and then I'll go have breakfast and then we'll be leaving for airport.